So the other day I realised that we hadn't actually made a video showing you the finished displays that we were working on last summer. It kind of all got a bit hectic, and selling our materials got in the way, and 4 months of rain happened also over the winter, and we're still sort of in the midst of that, but good little opportunity of the evening sun coming out to show you what we've been doing out here. So on our overall, how we've designed the displays, and we had loads of help on the design from our good friend Joe Savage. So he's responsible for not only the lovely plants that we've got in here dotted around the place, but also helping us with the layout and making sure it works as not only a display area, but as an area that we can show people around and hold events in too. So we kind of made the top terrace all out of our Lymington range of Egyptian limestone, just in a couple of different finishes. So we have our Lymington beige, the smooth finish, and then the Lymington dune. And where possible throughout the whole displays, you'll notice that we've coupled paving with edgings and pavers, just to show you how you can combine materials and give you practical ways to frame things and kind of create bits of interest in your garden. We've used like steps and copings where we can, used our lovely natural stone pavers. We've got like terraces where the paving are in grids, where sort of comparable paving is next to sort of rival options. It just helps you kind of visualize the two, see the differences between different options. And we are also going to do more. So we've got an area down the bottom of our display, which this year we're going to build sort of an outdoor kitchen. So there'll be more stuff to show you as well as the year goes on. We've kind of got a mix of all options here. So if you want contemporary porcelain, we've got some examples here for you. We've also got antique aged limestones, sort of traditional sandstones, along with kind of some more niche porcelains like wavy edged tiles, or tiles with tumbled edges, and tiles that look like stone, and really nice range of limestones and natural stone too. So whatever you're trying to create in your garden for a terrace, we've probably got something that will look pretty good, hopefully. And you'll probably see dotted around the place we've got these plaques. The plaques actually denote the landscapers that helped us build individual panels. We had a lot of help from the good local tradespeople that we work with kind of every week. We love working with these guys, and we wanted to sort of give something back to them. They helped, a lot of them did this sort of for free really in their spare time, so we really appreciate that, and we wanted to give something back, and we're always up for recommending a tradesperson. So if you have got a garden project you want to take part in this year, and you don't really have any contacts and you want us to give you some advice on who to use, and do ask us, because yeah, we're getting asked all the time, and we get big satisfaction of recommending a landscaper, talking to someone about products, and then, you know, later on down the line seeing that garden built out and work out really, really nicely. So yeah, love that. So yeah, if you're passing by Southampton, come and take a look. We'd love to show you around. See you soon.